Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to be doing something a little new, covering some of the vehicles of the Masters of the Universe. And I'd like to start with one that is kind of a vehicle, kind of a character. We have Stridor, the armorized horse tank. I don't really know what else to call him. Normally, Stridor is often depicted with Fisto being in the kind of saddle or driver's seat, if you will, because if you're going to have an armored tank horse, you might as well have a guy who's got an armored tank for a fist. Stridor first appeared in the issues of the mini comics and then later in the animated series, where he is made as a vehicle because they like to make their vehicles in the shapes of animals on Eternia. But then he kind of gained sentience, ran off, came back, helped He-Man out of a jam, and was released by Man-at-Arms to his own will, because as Man-at-Arms put it, you can't encage or enslave anything that has will of its own. Sound advice for all of us. But he still is a remarkably cool vehicle/character. Stridor does come with a removable helmet, which does have the unicorn horn, or he just has a regular kind of horsed helmet. I prefer the unicorn horn. He also comes with a bit and bridle, but it is unfortunately in the annals of my toy box, so he just kind of sits on his little display. The display kind of has this little fence look to it, and you can pose him actually here, so you can actually have him kind of rearing up if you want, ready to dispense all kinds of crazy justice on Eternia. Stridor. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube things. And thank you very much. Look forward to more vehicles coming soon. Stridor says so.